morning. Today I present Marxism approach to literary study. Also with example, first of all, we know about what is Marxism. Marxism is based on the political and economic theory of Karl Marx. Some respected is of this school are Christopher Caldwell, George Lucas, Lucien Goldman, and Walter Benjamin. Marxism is a materialistic philosophy which tried to interpret the world based on the constant nature, world around us, and society we live in. What is Marxism? Economic structure is the main driving force behind all social condition and historical change. Marx considers as a human history as a series of struggle between proletariat and bourgeoisie. Marxism is against capitalism. Capitalism is based on exploitation of labors. The aim of Marxism is to bring about a classist society based on the common ownership of the means of production and distribution and exchange. Karl Marx himself has commented on this revolutionary nature of Marxism. The philosophers have only interpreted the world in various ways. The point is to change it. It is true that while other philosophers try to understand the world, while Marxism is trying to change it. Now, we discuss about origin of Marxism. All Marxism theories are not written by solely by Karl Marx, lifelong friend and supporter Friedrich Engels too. Marxism is it has main intellectual origin in German philosophy, political economy, French utopian socialism. It is a from German philosopher Hegel that Marx learned a way of thinking about in the world in all its fluid complexity, which is called dialectic. The British political economics Adam Smith and David Ricardo provides Marx with the first approximation of his labor theory of value. From the utopians, especially Charles Fourier and Comte de Saint-Simon, Marx caught a glimpse of a hyper future that lay beyond capitalism. Uh, this is an image so about how bourgeoisie take more profit and give only some profit to proletariat. Now, discuss about what is capitalism. Capitalism is an economic system based on private ownership of the means of production and their operating of a profit. Characteristics centered to capitalism include private property, capital accumulation, wage labor, voluntary exchange, a price system, and a competitive market. In the capital market, economic decision making an investment in the determined by the owners of the factors of production in the financial and capital markets and prince and the distribution of goods and mainly determined by and then discuss about the base and superstructure. In this image, employees give more some share of production with their employee. Base and superstructure. One of the fundamental concepts of classical Marxism thought is the concept of base and superstructure, which refers to the relationship between material means of production and the culture world of art and ideas. The function of the base stands for the social economic relations and the mode of production, and the superstructure stands for art, law, political, religion, and above all ideology. Let's discuss example of novel by Mulk Raj Anand is Coolie, which addresses the life of the untouchable coolies and ordinary workers struggling for their rights and self-esteem. Then discuss about what is the ideology. Ideology is usually a body of ideas reflecting the social needs and affection of an individual, group, class, or culture which is influence people, belief, and action. Audience can interpret these ideas differently depending on the individual. Let's discuss example of Lord of the Flies by William Golding. The in the novel, character of Ralph. In this novel, character of Ralph and Jack, they both are leader of the Iceland. But the difference is ideology is Ralph is democracy leader and Jack is went to become leader of self ideology. Other example is women's. An example is the ideology of women. Nowadays, women are seems as more equal within a society or men. And at the last, we discuss how Marxism approach sees in literary study. We include four examples. First is Dil Ka Hal Sune Dilwala is song by a movie Sri 420. In song describe a situation of the struggle between class in society. It is a connect with reality. Second is Hajar Choryasi Ma by Mahasweta Devi uh, in published on 1974. Also described class struggle. And the third is Ramne Mandir Zalar Baje, poem by Tribhuvan Das. It's a poem described about three neighbors. One is a Seth, and second is the temple of Ram, and third is poor woman, uh, Bakordosi. This poem gives the situation of Bakordosi, comparison her life with Seth. And fourth is a play of Waiting for Godot by Samuel Beckett. In this play, we see the class struggle. The character of Pozo and Lucky represent the example of Marxism struggle between class. One is proletariat and other is bourgeoisie. As we see in the play, that Pozo treat Lucky as a slave. This is the references. Thank you.